Hello everyone. Today we discuss the another name reaction in our syllabus known as Wetting reaction. In this lecture, we discuss the introductory part of Wetting reaction. We discuss some examples, mechanism, and lastly we discuss some important application of Wetting reaction in organic synthesis. Wetting reaction is also called as the olefination reaction, and therefore it is known as Wetting olefination reaction. Wetting reaction or Wetting olefination reaction is a chemical reaction between aldehyde or ketone with triphenyl phosphonium ylide called as organophosphorus compound, and that are also called as the Wetting reagent to use a substituted alkene. Wetting reactions are most commonly used to convert aldehyde and ketones to the alkanes. If we discuss the general reaction pattern of Wetting reaction, so here the aldehyde and ketones are react with organophosphorus compound, that is triphenyl phosphonium ylide, gives substituted ketones. This reaction involves the substitution of carbonyl oxygen atom by alkylidene group of phosphorus ylide to gives alkene. So simple, this is the one substitution type of reaction in which the oxygen atom of the carbonyl group is replaced by the alkylidene group present in your phosphorus ylide to give alkenes as a product. So this is the first time that any scientist approach to conversion of the carbonyl group into the alkenes, and therefore in 1979 George Wetting awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work on organophosphorus compound jointly with H. C. Brown his work on organoborane compounds. For example, so when your aldehyde like benzaldehyde react with ethylene triphenyl phosphine or ethylene triphenyl phosphorane, what happens? The one of the oxygen atom or oxygen atom of benzaldehyde is replaced by the alkyl group, that is CH3 group, and therefore product is obtained 1 phenyl 1 propane. The another example is when acetophenone is react with methylene triphenyl phosphorine, and again we can observe that the oxygen atom of carbonyl group of acetophenone is substituted by the alkyl group, that is the methylidine group present on the phosphorus ylide to give your substituted alkene known as 2-phenyl 1-propane. So this example clearly indicates that this is the only substitution type of reaction in which the oxygen atom of the carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone is replaced by the alkyl group of phosphorus halide to form substituted alkenes. Generally, this reaction is carried out the solvent like tetrahydrofuran or DMSO, that is dimethyl sulfoxide, or dimethyl formamide. So there is no any doubt regarding to the position of the carbon-carbon double bond. But because in this reaction, the carbon-carbon double bond take the position of the carbon-oxygen double bond. Then we discuss the mechanism of this reaction. Generally, Wetting reaction takes place in two steps. First step is preparation of Wetting reagent, and second step is reaction of phosphorus halide with carbonyl compounds. In the first step, in the preparation of the Wetting reagent, Wetting reagent is prepared in two steps. The first step is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, in which the alkyl halides undergoes nucleophilic substitution with triphenylphosphanium as a nucleophile. Okay, so it is the simple substitution reaction takes place on the alkyl halide, but in this case the nucleophile is triphenylphosphine. So this triphenylphosphine, the phosphorus atom has lone pair of electron, and therefore this lone pair utilized to form a bond with the carbon atom, and that time the carbon halogen bond will be break and bonding pair of electron is going with halogen atom. But due to the utilization of lone pair present on the phosphorus to formation of phosphorus carbon bond, the phosphorus atom is positively charged. So in this reaction, there is formation of alkyl triphenylphosphonium halide. The second step of preparation of Wetting reagent is formation of halide. In this step, the resulting phosphonium salt, that is alkyl triphenylphosphonium halide, is treated with strong bases like phenyllithium or sodium ethoxide to lose the proton to yield the phosphorus halide. So in the second step, resultant alkyl triphenylphosphonium halide or phosphonium salt is treated with strong base, either phenyllithium or sodium ethoxide. Then what happens? We know that phenyllithium is organometallic compound, so this phenyl group is electron rich and act as the base to abstract the proton of phosphonium salt. And due to this, the benzene and lithium halide is liberated. And due to the abstraction of the hydrogen atom by the strong bases, carbon atom get the lone pair of electron, and due to this the carbon atom is electron rich. These charge spaces show the resonance structure known as the halides. So what is halide? Halides are the molecules or species which having the opposite charges on the adjacent atoms. Such the molecules or species are called as the halide. So in case of phosphorus halide, we observe that there is the opposite charge, that is the positive charge on phosphorus and negative charge on the carbon are present on the adjacent carbon atom. or adjacent atoms. So therefore, we can say that there is formation of phosphorus halide. The second step of Wittig reaction, that is the reaction of your phosphorus halide with the carbonyl compound. So in this step, we know that your phosphorus halide, in which the carbon atom get the negative charge, and therefore the phosphorus halide has carbanionic character. Therefore, this carbanion act as the nucleophile, and therefore there is a nucleophilic addition of the phosphorus halide to the carbonyl group to form a betaine. So what happens in first step? So halide is react with your the iodide or ketone, and this carbonyl carbon is the electron deficient, and therefore the carbon atom of phosphorus halide attack on the carbon atom, and due to this the oxygen atom get the negative charge to formation of charged bases. So in this time there is the position of opposite charges 1/4 with respect to each other, and this resultant species is called as the betaine. Then betaine slowly changes into the 4-member ring called as oxaphosphatane. So the betaine molecule, in which oxygen atom has negative charge, attack on the positive charge phosphorus atom to formation of oxygen phosphorus bond. So there is the formation of 4-member cyclic ring containing oxygen and phosphorus called as the oxaphosphatane. Then this oxaphosphatane ring is 4-member ring, therefore it having the high steric strain, therefore it is highly unstable, and therefore it's immediately undergo the ring opening to gives alkene with elimination of triphenylphosphine oxides. So then this carbon oxygen bond will be break, and simultaneously carbon phosphorus bond will be break, and due to this the oxygen phosphorus double bond will be formed and carbon carbon double bond will be formed, and we can say that our product is the alkene. So in second step, what happened? The halide having the negative charge carbon atom, therefore there is the ionic character. Hence, your halide act as the nucleophile, and there is the nucleophilic addition of halide to the carbonyl group to give a betaine. Then this betaine slowly changes into the 4-member ring called as the oxaphosphatane, and this oxaphosphatane ring open to give alkene with elimination of triphenylphosphine oxide. Then last part of this lecture, that is the applications. So generally Wittig reaction is used to prepare highly substituted alkenes. For example, preparation of tetraphenyl ethane. So in this case, benzophenone is react with highly branched phosphorus halide. So again we observe that there is simple replacement of oxygen atom by alkyl ring group to give highly branched alkenes. Second application is alkyl ring group like methylene, ethylene, isopropylene, etc. can be attached to the cycloalkanes. For example, when cyclohexanone is treated with isopropylene, phosphorus halide, then we observe that oxygen atom of cyclohexanone is replaced by the isopropylene group to give isopropylene cyclohexane as a product. So in this way we can introduce the alkyl ring group on the cycloalkanes. The last application is preparation of conjugated dyes. For example, this. So in this case, your phosphorus halide is unsaturated alkyl ring group. So when such type of reaction or such type of your phosphorus halide will react with aldehyde or ketone. So again, oxygen atom is replaced by the alkyl ring group to give conjugated dye. So in this reaction, there is formation of 1,4 phenyl 1,3-butadiene. Thank you to watching this video.